Hi, I'm Jamie.
And I'm Meredith, and we're with Coastal Business Supplies. And we're going to show you our wooden Berlin-shaped ornament.
Stay tuned. Okay, so in this video today, we are going to be working with our Unisub Berlin-shaped ornament. This is a wood ornament from Unisub. We are going to be working with our Image Right Sublimation paper, so let's get started.
All right, we did create our image in Photoshop and printed to our Sawgrass printer. And in this case, we did gang up the images so we could utilize the full sheet of paper and print several different ornaments. We are going to trim this up, however, just to do one today. Okay, generally you're going to want to press on the lighter side of the ornament. And we're going to adhere this on with our thermal tape.
So we are going to be using our Hotronix Fusion today. I am going to be placing a piece of silicone down on our bottom platen just to protect our press. You can also use a Teflon sheet. I'm going to be placing the image face down. Cover again with a silicone sheet. And today we are pressing at 385 degrees for 120 seconds at a medium pressure. Okay, here we go. Through our layers here. Going to peel immediately. It's a hot peel. And now you have one personalized ornament. Anything else you want to add in there, Meredith?
These do come with great ribbons, so you can apply it through the hole there and hang it up on your tree. Also, we have all of our templates and pressing instructions online, and this being a wood ornament does not have a lining.
There you go. So thank you for watching our video tutorial, and we will see you next time.